Sindh Education Sector Plan has addressed various aspects of education and developed action plans to bring improvement. Among others, teacher education has been well explained. Current situation of teacher education has been well explained, and strategies have been identified to bring improvement in teacher education. So इस मॉड्यूल में हम टीचर एजुकेशन के ऊपर जो फोकस है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे इन सिंध एजुकेशन सेक्टर प्लान में. जो विजन है टीचर एजुकेशन का, which has been mentioned in the plan, is that the historical analysis of the policy context indicates that the emphasis has remained for a long time on teacher training rather than a more holistic view of development and learning. Teacher education and development in Sindh needs to be viewed as a developmental process of learning and growth. इसमें जो गोल आइडेंटिफाई किया गया है, लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दैट. टू अचीव टारगेट्स सेट बाय SESP फॉर NER एट all levels and improve learning outcomes by 10% through strengthened teacher education and development. तो जो टारगेट जो मेन गोल है वो ये है कि इसमें एटलीस्ट 10% इम्प्रूवमेंट तो हो टीचर एजुकेशन के अंदर टिल 2018. तो इसके लिए क्या स्ट्रेटजीज क्या है? टू बिल्ड द मैनेजमेंट, टेक्निकल, budgetary and volume capacities of pre-service teacher education institutions. Strengthen in-service teacher development institutions to promote continuing professional development, that is CPD. Because teaching is a profession like any other profession, so continuous development is very important for the teacher educators and teachers too. Provide continuous professional support to teachers on effective teaching, linking this to improved student learning outcomes. कुछ और स्ट्रेटजीज जो कि आइडेंटिफाई की गई हैं रिगार्डिंग टीचर एजुकेशन, दे आर रिव्यू एंड एनालिसिस ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन पॉलिसीज एंड इनिशिएटिव्स in accordance with 18th Amendment and Sindh Free and Compulsory Education Act 2013. Introduction of teacher licensing and certification system in the province. क्योंकि अगर आपने टीचर्स को लाइसेंस करना है तो कुछ स्टैंडर्ड्स की बुनियाद के ऊपर आप उनको लाइसेंस करेंगे और सर्टिफाई करेंगे. तो ये वाला जो सिस्टम है दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड विद अ गोल टू इम्प्रूव टीचर्स कैपेसिटी. Review and develop Sindh Teacher Education Strategic Plan for 2018. Introduce quality assurance mechanism for programs. Introduce different teacher education programs based on National Curriculum. NC stands for National Curriculum 2006 and National Professional Standards for Teachers in Pakistan, which were launched in 2009. So इसके लिए जो स्टैंडर्ड्स आ रहे हैं वो सामने आ रहे हैं. दे आर फ्रॉम स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ करिकुलम एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ टीचर्स. So teacher education has been viewed as a development activity in Sindh Education Sector Plan. It has not been taken as a training activity, rather a development activity, a process of development. Objectives, strategies, activities have been identified after a detailed analysis of the situation.